Hi everyone! Today I'm very excited to introduce you a new Ronald cordless stick vacuum cleaner. So let's check it. It's not heavy, it's very light and very easy to move. And let's start unboxing. We open the box and inside we can see a quick start guide. So we can look at these pictures and very easy to understand what should we do. So let's check what we have inside. Here is manual and inside this box. So let's assemble this vacuum cleaner. We take main body and the battery. Install it. It's very easy and uses this button we turn on. So here you can see a LED screen and it shows the battery level and two modes, eco mode and strong mode. And then we take floor brush. So as you can see, it's very easy to assemble and very easy to use. So next one is the 2-in-1 dusting brush. We assemble it and we can use both ways. And it helps us to clean tables, shelves, your keyboard or some different surfaces. And next one is long crevice nozzle. We install it and it helps us to reach different gaps or some hard to reach surfaces. So as you can see, this vacuum cleaner is very multifunctional. You can use it everywhere, in your home, office, in your car, etc.